Hi Alicia, it's Charlie from Wayne Phyllis Ford. Firstly, thank you for your inquiry on a lovely VE SS 2010 Commodore station wagon in Poison Ivy. Beautiful colour for this wagon. Actually, even in the sedan, I'm pretty fond of the green. It is a 6-litre V8 from South Australia. Paintwork is in remarkable condition. Sits in these lovely 19-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left in the tyres. Reverse sensors, tow bar. Fog lights down the bottom. There's your lovely black leather interior with your SS logos on the seats. All our vehicles go through a 122 safety point check before they're put on the yard. And also come with a 3-year Swan warranty. Just trying to get this open so you can have a look inside. There we go. Beautiful, clean 6-litre V8. Okay, 6-speed Tiptronic gearbox. Powered mirrors, windows. It's done 111,000 kilometres. Bluetooth, cruise control, audio controls on the steering wheel. It's the CD player. Dual zone climate control. Driver and passenger can set their own desired temperature. Driver's airbag, passenger airbag, as well as your curtains. Goes through to the airbags in the back there as well. This vehicle's fitted with a cargo barrier, as you'll see. Quite a generous console area, the 12-volt power outlet. Log books, plenty of room in that glove compartment. Vents for people sitting in the rear. 3 proper seat belts for along the back. Center armrest there. Plenty of room in the back. Another 12-volt power outlet down the bottom there. So hopefully this will give you a bit more of an idea, Alicia, the vehicle you've inquired about. I did try giving you a call. I'll give you another call after I send this through. Just click on the link to view. If you have any queries or questions, feel free to call me. And once again, thank you for your inquiry.